Hello guys, in this video, we will learn how to do chalk effect on photos, in Adobe Photoshop in just 2 minutes. So before any further ado, let's get started. Open an image in Photoshop. Unlock the background layer by clicking on the lock icon. Go to Filter, choose Stylize. Select Find Edges. Now go to Image. Click on Adjustments. Click on Desaturate. Invert the image by pressing Ctrl+I. Now place your blackboard image by going to File and choosing Place Linked. Place the image below your chalk layer. Change the blending mode of chalk layer to screen. Crop the image to your blackboard size. Use Ctrl+T to transform your chalk layer so that it fits on your blackboard. Your chalk effect is ready. Like the video and subscribe the channel.